My name's Denise. I'm here to tell you about my experience on the coughing technique with Rainbow and Bear. I had this experience that I've never had before. I felt like something just came out that I had never felt before. It felt so relaxing. It felt good. And then I felt like I was floating, and then came down slowly, and just like one shoulder, then one arm, the other shoulder. Finally, my whole body was down, and I felt so relaxed. It was some experience I had never experienced, but I want to come back. And I want to thank Rainbow and Bear for this experience, and I loved it. Thank you.
Thank you, Denise.